Do what?
Look at this
We want
porch.
to sell our house and do another house. We just need a driveway and a garage.
You guys will probably. What about your mom,
And
Patrick?
then we'll have to take her with us.
Well,
I was gonna say.
there's a couple rooms in here we thought she might be able to live in.
Yeah.
She's getting up there in age. She like.
Yeah.
How old is she?
79.
Oh, so same age as my mom then.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. When's
Yep.
her birthday? What month?
October.
October. Oh, okay. My mom's July. It's coming up. Yeah.
Cool.
And that's how
Yeah.
my mom has ovarian cancer now. So it's like.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Well, she's got the treatment. She's gonna do you know, a what do you call it? A surgery and then.
This roof looks pretty good.
Good. I just quit. So like,
Oh, yeah.
this is my last school year. Now I'm looking for jobs.
Oh, you'll
And then just crazy out there.
1580 Anderson
should make
Road.
enough money to buy something cash. Your house is paid for, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I mean, you could.
Yeah.
This is the first bedroom.
Okay, so this is the living room. This is nice.
We already looked at the floor plan.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is a common room. Oh, the pictures always make everything look so much bigger.
I know.
Yeah, so this is the common room. This would be,
Oh.
this is the dining room. Kitchen's small.
It's like a breakfast nook, really.
Yeah.
But that's cool. Look at how much sun you get in here.
We were thinking about putting Lauren in the bedroom and with the little bathroom.
Is she real mobile still?
Wait,
Yeah.
Oh, she
And
is?
then she could hang out in the common room or over
Yeah.
here.
Because that's what,
And
you
then-
guys are doing the same thing I'm doing. I rent it,
Yeah.
which is such a waste of all this money, but I figured my mom's just gonna have to come with me. You know,
Yeah.
same kind of thing.
Yeah. Let me look at this back bedroom too. I know there's an
I'm in
addition.
no hurry.
this is
So
great.
I'm thinking, Patrick.
Yeah.
Like, we hang out over here. We let.
This
your
would be a
mom-
great like computer space.
Yeah, we let your mom hang out in here.
Yeah.
And her bedroom.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
and then here's her little bathroom. This bathroom would be hers.
This would be her bedroom.
Well, she has a bathroom and a closet here. That would be
Screens need some TLC, but double pane windows. This is like the secondary bedroom. Big closet with shelves. Nice. Nice. Overhead light, which does not work. Hall closet. More closets. Bathroom closets. Whoa! Check out that light. Did you guys turn on the light in the bathroom? This is crazy, man. Somebody was having fun with that.
Yeah.
Whoa, look,
Come in here.
look at this, man.
This would be your office.
Oh, yeah.
A shared office space. I would probably work with you here. But he does all the tech
This will
and
be
stuff.
covered with
Yeah,
all
he
kinds of
does all the,
papers.
YouTube stuff and everything.
Yeah, what are you guys working on now? You guys are doing the YouTube and the.
Yeah, he does YouTube, and he's teaching independent contracting teaching, and he's always.
I do summer camps and after school
Yeah.
programs for
That's
kids. Oh, it's awesome. I had so much fun the last 2 weeks.
Did you really?
Oh my God, I did a Star Wars camp and I had the kids out with like foam pool noodle lightsabers, and I take fencing lessons. So like I was teaching them like how to like
Oh, that's
do it
really
all,
cool.
and then they turned on me and they were like, and I'm like, oh, the inevitable betrayal! All 7 of them jumped on me.
Patrick,
That was great.
You would have your set of closet. This could be your tech closet. These could be your clothing closet.
Holy
And
closets!
that's mine.
We
That's
don't
what I
have
said, this
any
is really
closets.
big.
Our house doesn't have any
That's
closets.
my closet.
Why? So why is this so cheap? What's the catch?
Let's look in the basement and see.
What's the catch? There's got to be. This has everything.
It's not that cheap. It's $240,000.
Yeah, but compared to that little tiny house that was down at Bellevue that we were going to look at, they're not going to get 240 for you.
Well, so
Even
this
said,
is-
Michelle,
this
like
would
it
be
was
Well,
going to
the
be
main
like.
road, a lot of people don't like me. Let's look in the basement and see like.
Oh,
what
we
that
will.
looks like.
That road doesn't look that well traveled.
Becky Hardy grew up right on here.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
shop-
Don Zonheiser's mom grew up around here too. Look at how huge this is. You could like tap dance in here.
This wasn't Judai's house, was it? Because Judai just passed.
No.
Yeah, I'm all about this. Look, this will be my.
Oh, babe,
I'm all about this. This would be a.
could put
that
a
would
big
be-
Japanese toilet in
Yeah,
there.
but listen, babe,
I
that
love
would
that.
be my
Mhm.
closet. Okay, you can have the other closet.
This could be my office.
Yeah.
I'm joking.
And then look at the outside here, babe. This is the outside.
Probably because of these countertop spaces. I don't know, but like,
We can redo all.
yeah,
of
well,
it.
of course. Oh yeah, let's check out the balcony. This is the pottery studio.
This was where I could do.
Oh my
I
God,
could
look
do a
at
lot of
this.
work. This is where I would store some
Oh, you could put doors on this and like store this in the winter time.
stuff. Well, I would
this could
store.
be-
I would store some stuff.
And there's
out
an
here,
exterior
but not a
plug
lot.
here for a
Oh,
wheel.
yeah.
Look at this.
I'm looking what you guys do this in here.
This isn't where the pottery studio would be.
No,
This
no,
would
but
be
you
my
could-
This
but-
would be my crafting area.
Yeah, but you could like do pottery out here too.
Yeah, but this
Oh
is
my
gonna
God,
be
this is great.
This is gonna be my area, our area, but my area, not your mom's area. Okay.
Heck no, this is ours.
Your
I
mom-
love this. I love this here. It's a tiki.
Go down in the basement.
Me too. Wow, this is so cool.
I'm just trying to see, I don't see anything. I'm trying to
So
see.
we wanna sell our house and do a lateral.
So is it because Anderson's a main road?
I think, let's look in the basement and see.
Compared to like the
So,
road we're on though, there's like no traffic.
It's actually pretty big for this price. That would
I
bother
thought
me.
so.
I mean, I think if you have kids, it bothers people, but like we don't have kids.
Exactly.
To me, that doesn't.
Your mom's room,
How do you get downstairs?
this way.
The kitchen.
This is your mom's room. This will be where she can hang out. This is gonna be our
And
space.
she's older now too. She doesn't need that much.
Yeah, we'll share the kitchen, but like she can have a shelf in the fridge.
Yeah. But I mean,
Yeah.
does she really need that much? She probably doesn't.
No,
Like,
no,
my
she
mom
doesn't. She can't eat anything.
There's an egg.
Okay,
It's like a
what-
robin's egg in there.
There's an egg in there?
Look at it.
Oh, that's weird.
There's like a little robin's egg in there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Isn't that
okay.
cute?
Yeah, we would have to redo the fridge for sure, but yeah. There's electric gas burner,
Wow.
we have a big kitchen, but we hang out in our kitchen because it's so big.
Yeah.
Right.
But you guys assume could hang out back there.
Yeah, this
You
will
know,
be
like you
the.
guys are like.
This will be the.
Thank you.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the
Let's look
laundry
at the basement and see.
room, but also I think it's gonna be.
Probably asbestos flooring, but that's no big deal. They just tell you to cover it. These squares usually show up asbestos in it, which is a big deal.
Gotcha.
This would have to be,
Oh, this is
part of this would be pottery studio.
This would be a great studio. Oh, nice it is. I'm actually surprised.
Like this part
See,
is,
it's structural.
yeah, pottery studio.
It's like a washer and dryer. Yo.
Look at this. Vantage where the bring, this could be the pottery studio here. Look, this is one garage.
Yeah.
And then the back,
Haha.
the back part can come in here and then, the best one can come in here with the pottery studio and look.
So this was the original garage,
Is this crazy? Is this huge?
and then they added on.
This is, and then this part of the garage will be yours. You know what I'm saying? You could use this side and I use this side.
Oh my God.
Would you be okay with that? Yeah,
This is amazing.
because we
It's
want.
like-
So we put the new breaker in there for the kiln. We could even put the kiln like here. We've got you got water access here, baby. You got electrical here.
ceramic studio right here.
Here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because these
And then-
doors even close, so like all of that would be, all the dust would be contained to this area.
Yeah, and then there's a, you can drain it too, but look over here, Patrick, this could be, I can pull my Vespa in, and then 2 cars can fit in here.
Oh,
and
easy.
one car
Oh,
outside.
yeah. Oh, easy.
Right now, we have 4 cars because.
Three cars. 3 cars, 1 motorcycle.
Yeah, because he was supposed to, his car was supposed to die. So we got a different one, and then.
So these aren't automatic garage doors.
Nice for this price. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I want this house.
Oh, this is automatic. This is automatic right here.
Yeah, the yard is nice.
You can put like a nice, oh,
Yeah.
it's really nice. Well, it has potential, I'll tell you that. It's way bigger than ours.
So where does the yard go to?
Let's see what the property is. I think it go right down here. It looks like, let me just pull, hold on, let me just look at the tax record, hold on. But it might go, it's pretty. I really like when it back up.
Look at this. Pull right down here.
Holy mackerel. How far back does it go? We're gonna need a tractor.
What?
We need a riding mower.
I will get a riding mower for you. So I think that we can do this. You have to put our house on the market. How does one go about selling their house yourself?
You have to have a contingency to sell your house. Would you two have to have a contingency to sell your house?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like we
Would
would
it have to be contingent on the sale of your, here's the parcel map, guys.
Yeah.
That's a nice
Yeah, we
big
would
look.
want to sell.
It goes all the way back to,
Yeah.
holy mackerel, it's huge.
I mean, we would want to sell our house. Sell our house at the same time. Yeah. That would be the best deal ever. But if we had to have a lag, it would be up to Patrick if he could do that.
Patrick, like, just like here, we could see if they could take a contingent on yours, but because yours isn't on the market yet,
Right.
you don't want to like, you might lose that. So
Right.
it's like tricky. I
Right.
could have your house on in a week. I could have a professional photographer there to photograph everything. I think your house would sell because
Oh my
it's so
God,
nice.
it's investment
But-
property. It'll
If you
sell like
park
crazy.
If I cleaned it up, if you gave me 2 weeks to clean it
Yeah.
up,
Oh,
and
I could.
we could put it on
What do you
the
think your
market
house
then.
is worth? That house is
I
pretty
have
worth.
no idea. That's what I
I
want to
can
know.
comp it out then too.
'Cause
I'll
I'm
send you
kinda
the
like,
address and
yeah,
then I kind of was in
sure.
there, but
Because I want to